Hi, get your family. Welcome to Ola Trending Mzansi. But see, I am back with another one. Do you all remember the story of Promise Makunyane and her husband and how they have been divorced for quite some time? And Promise hasn't said anything about the divorce. Well, but see, Promise was so outspoken about her believing in marriage and the union, and then she went as far as see, speaking down of a divorced women as if it was their choice that they were divorced. So now that she is facing this situation, most divorced women, they do not even feel sorry for her. But the thing is, out of all of this, Promise has never confirmed nor commented or rather said anything about this situation. Rather, she posted a screenshot between a conversation of her and her mother telling her that she must keep quiet. And I think she has been listening to her mother up until now. But when she posted a picture of herself wearing a traditional attire, it looked like it was her wedding day. But and underneath that picture, she captioned it by stating that she is officially in tears, but after finishing up writing a particular chapter in her book. So now it looks like now she has summed up everything that she wants to tell the people, but then she has wrote it down in a book. But this is interesting because now everyone is wondering what exactly is in that book and what exactly is Promise talking about, because she's mentioning recordings and that as Limes Yecheni, basically stating that whatever that is there deserves to be heard and people deserve to know more about it. Now I can't wait personally to hear or rather to know what is in Promises a book. Please do leave your comments down below, but don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.